Do a problem based on the concept of information. Okay, so here the question is, a card is selected at random from a deck. You are told that it is from the red suit. How much information have you received? How much more information is needed to completely specify the card? Okay, that's the question. See, basically, if you're going to attempt any problems in the subject, okay, first it's very important that you try to understand the question, right? Break down the question, break down and read each and every sentence and try to understand what it says. Then, based on what you have understood, you write the basic data, and from those data you apply those data into the equation. Okay, you need to know, so you need to understand which equation you need to apply, and then finally you will get your answer. Okay, so here a card is selected at random from a deck. So we know, we all heard of deck of cards, right? Deck of cards is basically, there are totally there are, I think there are 56 cards or 52, 52 cards, I think, right? 52 cards, and out of those 52 cards, 52 divided by 2 is 26. So there are 26 red cards and 26 black cards, right? Yes, so 26 red cards and 26 black cards, and then for each, and in this 26 red cards, 26 by 2 is 13. So there are 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. And when you look at the 26 black cards, there are 13 clubs and 13, what's the other one called as? Spades. Yeah, spades. 13 spades. So therefore, this is how the deck of cards are arranged. So now let's read the question. You are told that it is from the red suite. Okay, so how much information have you received? So after being said that the card is red color, right, it is from the red suite, how much information have you received? That is the question, right? So let me write total number of cards. Total number of cards is equal to 52, right? 52. Now, you are told that it is from the red suite. How much information have you received? So probability, or right, like this, number of red cards. Let's start with that. Number of red cards is equal to 26, half of this, right? 26. Okay, so now therefore probability that the card is red, probability that the card is red. Okay, and we'll give a name to that. We'll give a name to this probability. What name should I give? Let's be P1. Okay, P1. So probability the card is red, which is P1, is equal to 26 by 52, which is equal to 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2. So probability the card is red is 1 by 2. Okay, why we are finding the probability is because we know that the equation for information is log of 1 by P, right? Log of 1 by probability. That is the information, right? So whichever information you're trying to find, you first have to find its corresponding probability. So that is what you need to remember. For any information you're going to find its probability. After finding the probability only, you can find the information. Therefore information received after knowing that the card is red. Information received after knowing that the card is red is equal to, let it be I1. Okay, because this is P1, so let's be I1. So therefore I1 is equal to log of 1 by P1. Okay, log of 1 by P1. Even it's okay even if you don't write the base, but it's understood that the base is always 2, because we always in the subject we always express the information in units of bits, bits. So that's why the base should always be 2. Okay, It's understood basically. So log of 1 by P1, so which is nothing but log of, and what is P1? P1 is 1 by 2. So basically this is 1 by 1 by 2, right? This is basically 1 by 1 by 2, which is equal to log 2. Base is always 2 as usual, okay? Base is always 2. What is log 2 to the base 2? Right? It's understood. Log 2 to the base 2 is also equal to 1. Log of any number with its own base, it's equal to 1 itself. Or you can check using over here. That is, take log over here, express the base as 2 and 2. Log 2 to the base 2, which is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1 bits. 1 bit. Okay? 1 bit. So information received after knowing that the card is read. Right? That is what this question actually means. Information received after knowing that the card is read. Now, how much more information is needed to completely specify the card? To completely specify the card. We know that the total number of cards is 52, right? So if you want to completely specify a card, you know, so for example, you want to know what is the probability that the card is ace of hearts, or what is the probability that the card is queen of clubs, right? So what is the probability? That is one. So probability of choosing a specific card cards like 9 of hearts or 2 of diamonds, like that, choosing a specific card, because we know that each card is unique, right? No card is repeating. Each card is exactly unique. So probability of choosing a specific card is equal to 1 by 52, right? Probability of choosing an ace of heart, or a probability of choosing 3 of diamonds, right? There's only one ace of heart, there's only one 3 of diamonds, right? That is why. So probability of choosing a specific card is 1 by 52. So information required, therefore, or information received after specifying the card completely, right? If you know everything about the card, if that you know completely, so after knowing that the card, so after when you know all the thing about a card, if you know everything, if you know whether what is the color, what is the number, what is the symbol of the card, so you have already completely specified the card. So information received after specifying the card completely is equal to log of 1 by this probability. Therefore, let this be let's give a name. Let this be I2. Okay, I2, right? So log 2, this is be P2, okay, P2. So I2 is equal to log of 1 by P2, right? I2 is equal to log of 1 by P2, or I2 is equal to log of 1 by, what is P2? P2 is 1 by 52, okay? Base is 2. It's understood that base is 2. You don't have to write base, but it's understood. You don't have to write 2. We understood the base is 2. So therefore, this will become log of 52 to the base 2, right? What is log 52 to the base 2? Let me see. Log base 2 number is 52. Right. Hold on. Yeah. So log 52 to the base 2 is equal to 5.7004. So let's write 5.7 bits. 5.7 bits. Okay, 5.7 bits. All right. Now read the question. So first they asked us to find the information received after knowing that the card is red. Now they are and to specify that, now they ask is how much more information is needed, right? How much more information is needed to completely specify the card. That means how much information is now required to specify the card after knowing that the card is red, right? That's what this, that's what this actually means. So which, in other words, they are asking us to find the extra information. Therefore additional information required is I2 minus I1, right? I2 minus I1. Why? Because I1 is the information received after knowing that the card is red, okay? And I2 is the total information received if you know everything about the card. So the question they ask is how much more information is needed. So what do? We minus the two informations. So this is 5.7 minus 1, which is equal to 4.7 bits. Okay. Now let's do on the next question. Okay. Next question we have, in a certain community 25% of girls are blondes and 75% of all blondes have blue eyes. Okay. Also 50% of all girls have blue eyes. If you are told that a girl has blue eyes, how much information have you received? If you are further told that she is a blonde, how much additional information have you received? Okay, so here, like I said before, let's break down each and every sentence. Okay, let's read the first sentence. In a certain community, 25% girls are blondes. 25% of all girls are blondes, and 75% of all blondes have blue eyes. Okay. Also 50% of all girls have blue eyes. So this is one, 25% of all girls are blondes and 50% of all girls have blue eyes. So let's start with that. Okay, let what should I give? Let P of A, all right? Let P of A be the probability. Let P of A be the probability that the girl is blonde. Let P of A be the probability that the girl is blonde. Therefore, we know that 25% of girls are blondes, right? So therefore, P of A is equal to 25%, which is 0.25. Or you can also write as 1 by 4. Okay. Now, next is blondes. So what is next is blue eyes, right? So let P of B be the probability that the girl has blue eyes. Okay, let P of B be the probability that the girl has blue eyes. So what is the value of P of B? Read the question. That is 50% of all girls have blue eyes. That's what's written over here, right? So therefore 50% means 0.5, or you can also write it as 1 by 2. Okay, why I'm writing these two numbers is because we don't know which one is better. That's why I'm writing both the numbers. Okay, so now next thing is 75% of all blondes. I haven't written this. 75% of all blondes have blue eyes. What does this sentence mean? 75% of all blondes have blue eyes. That means we know that we know that the girl is blonde, and we already know that the girl is blonde, and what is the probability that she has blue eyes? That is what it means. That means after knowing that she is blonde, what is the probability that she has blue eyes? That's what it means. This is called as conditional probability. Conditional probability based on a certain condition, right? So what is the condition over here? That the girl is blonde, okay? So and what is the event over here? That she has blue eyes. So which means what is the probability that she has blue eyes after knowing that she is blonde? The condition is she is blonde, right? Or in other words, what they're asking is probability. Let me write that over here. Probability that the girl has blue eyes with the condition that she is blonde. Probability that the girl has blue eyes with the condition that she is blonde, which is nothing but we know how conditional probability is written, right? That is P of, so this is so the condition is she is blonde, right? The condition is she is blonde. Blonde means A. So blonde means A. So which means P of B by A. This is P of B by A, right? There's probability that the girl has blue eyes when we know that she is blonde. That is this means. The condition, A is the condition. Is we know that A is satisfied, or that we know that she is blonde. So therefore, P of, according to the question, this P of B by A is equal to how much? 75%. 0.75. I think you can write 0.75 in terms of this, right? 3 by 4. Okay. If you can do this question by simply assuming the decimal numbers, there's no problem with that. Okay, this is for my own convenience only. I've written the fraction. In most of some of the cases you will not be able to write the fraction. Then it's also okay. You can continue with the decimal numbers. Okay. Here I'm expecting some cancelling and all. That's why I written the fractions. Okay. So now let's read the question. So now we have understood the statements, right? The probability that she is blonde, the probability that she has blue eyes, and the probability that she has blue eyes after when we know that she is blonde. Okay. Now, if you are told that a girl has blue eyes, how much information have you received? If you are told if the girl has blue eyes, how much information have you received? Right? So what they are asking us to find, they are asking us to find the information received after when you know that the girl has blue eyes. Right? So we know that the probability that the girl has blue eyes is P of B. So what they are basically asking us to find is information received after knowing that the girl has blue eyes. I of B. This is what they ask us to find. So what is I of B? I of B is log of 1 by P of B. Okay. Log of 1 by P of B. It's understood that the base is 2. Okay. And this is equal to log of, and what is P of B? P of B is 0.5 or 1 by 2. So which means this is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. Base is 2. See, this is where usually everybody makes mistake. They all forget that the base is 2 and they do the problem thinking that the base is 10. And that's why most of the students lose mark in the exam. Okay, they make the mistake in assuming the base. The base is always 2 in the subject for all information equations. Okay, the base is always 2. So this is nothing but log 2 to the base 2, which we know that it is already 1 bit, right? Log of any number to its own base is 1 itself. So log 2 to the base 2 is 1. Okay, so this is 1 bit. Now, this is the first part of the question. So now we found the information. How much information have you received? This much information you have received. Now, if you are further told that she is blonde, how much additional information have you received? That means after knowing that she has blue eyes, then you are being told that she is blonde. After knowing that she has blue eyes, then you are being told it's a blonde, right? So what this basically means, what are they asking us to find? After, if you are further told that she is blonde, means after knowing she has blue eyes. So the condition is that she has blue eyes, right? She has blue eyes. So what is the probability that she is blonde? That is the probability you need to find. That is, they're asking us to find the information. Okay, they're asking us to find the information. Okay, if you are further told that she is blonde, means we already know that she has blue eyes, right? That's what the first condition, because after, if you are further told that she is blonde, means we already know she has blue eyes. We already know that she has blue eyes. Condition B, condition that she has blue eyes. And then now if you're further told that she is blonde, so which means blonde is A. Okay, so I of A by B. So what is so to find I of A by B, this is what you need to find. I of A by B. So to find I of A by B, you need to first find what is P of A by B. Okay, we need to find what is P of A by B. After knowing P of A by B, to find any information, you have to find the value of its probability first. So if we find P of A by B, so already in the question is given, what else is given in the question? P of B by A is also given, right? So there's a conditional equation, probability equation that you have all learned, that is P of B by A is equal to joint probability P of AB by P of A. Okay, and so therefore P of AB is equal to P of B by A into P of A, right? And what is P of B by A? P of B by A is already given, that is nothing but 3 by 4. P of B by A is 3 by 4, okay, into, and what is the P of A? P of A is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Therefore, P of AB joint probability is 3 by 16. What is P of AB means? That is probability that the girl is blonde and has blue eyes. That's what this means. Okay, so that is 3 by 16. But we are supposed, so what are we supposed to find? You are supposed to find the probability that she is blonde after knowing or with the condition that she has blue eyes. This is what you need to find. But this, now you can apply this, now you can find the value of this, right? This is P of A by B can be written as P of AB by P of B, basic conditional probability equation, right? And we all know what is P of AB. We just found out that is 3 by 16, okay, by, and what is P of B? P of B also I believe we have found it is 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2. So this is basically nothing but 3 by 8. So probability of that the girl is blonde after knowing that she has blue eyes is 3 by 8. Therefore, now I can find I of A by B. I of A by B is nothing but log of 1 by P of A by B, which is nothing but log of 1 by 3 by 8, which is nothing but log of 8 by 3. Log of 8 by 3. Let's see. Log of 8 by 3. So log, the base is 2, 8 by 3, right? 8 by 3. 8 divided by 3. Okay, this is what is it? Log of 8 by 3 to the base 2, right? And just the answer is 1.4150. Let's make it 1.415. So this is 1.415 bits. Okay, don't forget the base is 2, all right? Base is 2, so 1.415 bits. Okay, but now read the question. They are actually, this is the, so which means what is this? This is what is I of B? Information received information received that the girl has blue eyes. Okay, and what is I of A by B? It is the information received that the girl is blonde when you already know that she has blue eyes. Okay, so now read the question. If you are further told that she is blonde, how much additional information have you received? Additional information. So additional information means this minus this. Okay, therefore extra information received or additional information received is equal to I of A by B minus I of B, which is basically 1.415 minus 1, which is equal to 0.415 bits. Okay, this is how we do the problem. Okay, for those of you who have still have any kind of doubts, okay, any kind of doubts, you are free to contact me. Okay, you're free to contact me, and you can ask any type of questions, and I will try to help you with this. Okay, thank you, students.